Real quick before we start, if you're watching this and you are not subscribed, you're missing out. Subscribing is absolutely free. It only takes you 1 second. Premium content is coming soon exclusively for all subscribers. Hit that subscribe button now and turn on the notifications.
Welcome, everyone. Today, we're stepping away from the modern gym and looking back over a millennium to discover the secrets of ancient strength, the Shaolin training guide. We aren't just talking about lifting weights, we are talking about a centuries-old system. Tools like the stone locks, known as Shi Suo, and iron rings aren't just relics, they provide a unique, brutal combination of ballistic power, grip strength, and forearm conditioning. These methods, rooted deeply in the Tang dynasty, remain vital today for developing that legendary martial power and suppleness, a concept known as Song. Let's look at the heavy hitters first, the stone lock, Shi Suo. This isn't your average kettlebell. We are looking at 1,400 years of ballistic power. Dating back to the Tang dynasty, these padlock-shaped stones were designed specifically to build elite, explosive strength. What makes them special? It's what we call the grip and flip dynamic. Unlike a round kettlebell, their rectangular shape and thick handles demand extreme hand-eye coordination. You don't just lift them, you manipulate them. And the massive load capacity is no joke. Traditional weights start at a modest 5 kilograms, but they scale all the way up to elite stones weighing over 50 kilograms. Now, let's shift gears to the Kung Fu iron rings. These are all about conditioning the bridge. As these metal rings slide against the forearm, they toughen the skin and the bone itself, preparing the practitioner for the impact of strikes. But they aren't just weights, they are coaches. They provide auditory power feedback. The specific sound the rings make tells the practitioner instantly if they are releasing their power correctly. On top of that, they serve as weighted speed training. By wearing multiple brass rings, you add resistance to every punch, building incredible muscle endurance and lightning fast speed. So, how do you move up the ranks? Look at our training progression table. Beginners start with stone locks between 5 kilograms and 10 kilograms and wear 1 to 2 iron rings. As you reach the intermediate level, you're looking at 15 kilograms to 30 kilograms stones and 4 to 6 rings. But to be called a master, you must handle stones weighing 50 kilograms or more and manage the weight of 10 or more rings on your arms. It's a journey from foundation to mastery, built on stone and iron. Please subscribe to help the channel and don't forget to like,